Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Walker, a small animal veterinarian, and today I want to go through how we do our scoring with the 5-point clinical screening system. So first of all, when we're doing this 5-point clinical screening, we are not looking at all the marketing, all the fancy words to get you into that company's trying to pull you in. We are looking at the facts first, and then we can look further into some of those extras that companies provide. So for starters, we want to look at the AAFCO statement. This is letting us know the specific life stage and whether or not this food has been formulated or if it has been feeding trialed. So if it has had feeding trials, they will get a half point for that. And if it specifically states a life stage, such as maintenance, this will give them another half point. If a diet is formulated, there is nothing for that. And if it specifically states in all life stages, there is no points for that either. Next up is looking at the nutrients of that food. So the nutrients need to be on a dry matter basis, and usually you have to contact the company to be given to you for that. And we compare them based off of the Small Animal Clinical Nutrition textbook that provides us with the gold standard ranges for the specific life stage that the food is stating it's for. So we want to look at the protein, the fat, calcium, and phosphorus. So if the protein's within that range and the fat, then they will get a point for each of those. And then the calcium and the phosphorus will get half a point each if it is within that gold standard range. Next up is assessing if that diet is grain inclusive. If there are grains in the diet, they will get a point. If not, no point for them. We want grains. Grains are healthy. Grains are good for overall nutrition. So with that, that will give us our 5 points. Once we've gone through that and assessed the nutrients and the quality of the food based off of the nutrients alone, then we can start assessing diets further in regards to what works best for your dog's specific needs. I hope you found this video very interesting. We do lots of different comparisons with foods. I'll put a link up at the top here for you to check out some other videos that we've done so you can see how the system works. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in our next video. Bye!